So this is the air conditioner adapter box. That's the sketch, and that's a SolidWorks model, a drawing of the SolidWorks model. And here it is. I'm going to take that little air conditioner and stick it in there and put it up against the new windows.